Welcome to this video guys. This is the exploded view tutorial in which we are going to make the animation of this exploded view. So let's begin. We have already assembled and modeled this part. I will provide the link in the description if you want to model it. So this is the exploded view option guys. In this window we need to select this part and these are the axes X, Y and Z. You can select these axes and drag by using your mouse just like this to translate it, or even you can give it some angle as well. And here I am giving it some distance 50 millimeter, and although you have to click on done, but if you select this check mark or enter button you need to go to the configuration and expand these two bars, right click here and you need to select this edit feature so that you can be back to the same exploded view where you were in previously working. So select the same part again and this time move up and specify the distance you like. I am specifying here 50 millimeter and then click on done. And after that we will do the same procedure. Select this part and drag the z-axis away from the shaft. Specify here the distance you like. I'm specifying here 50 millimeter. Click on done and I will move in Y direction. If by chance you have pressed enter button or selected the check mark, you can come back to the configuration just like I have previously explained. And since we are done, so I'm clicking on this check mark. So right click on this exploded view and click on collapse. It will automatically get assembled like this, and right click on this exploded view and click on expand and it will be separated, and then right click and click on the animate. It will automatically assemble like this. So you can click on this play button, or let me just show you in some better view. Although you can do this or you can do in steps like this. So if you click here, if you want to see how it's gonna assemble, then you can click on these steps. And now click on this motion study, because now we are going to make the animation. So this is the animation wizard. Click on it and select the explode option and click on next. And duration for the explode is 4. This is fine, and this is 1. Start time is 1 because I want the exploded view start from here, from 1 to this 4.5, and then click finish, and here we have the exploded view. This is going to end here, and after that you need to click on the same animation wizard and then select this collapse. I want to start it from here, so here specify 6 because this is 6 seconds, and 4 seconds for the collapse is fine. So this is going to explode till here. It will be a pause for 1 second and then collapse. And now let me show you how it's going to work. You need to click on this calculate button, this one, and it will simply explode and collapse. And now you can click on this save animation, and this is the option for directory where you want to save it, and this is the option for the file name. I'm writing here exploded view, and this is 16:9. This is perfect. Frames per second I'm specifying here 25, but if you want to increase this you can increase, but the time duration to save this animation will be more, and also the memory of the video, size of the video will be much more. And this is how it's going to save the animation. I'm just moving it fast forward to save your time guys. And now let me show you how the animation will look like. So this is the animation. If you find this video helpful guys, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.